Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The 13th of August 2022 marks 1 year of the death of former HNLC General Secretary late THANGKHIEW'S. It may be reminded that late THANGKHIEW'S was shot dead by police at his residence in MAWLAI, Canton Masar in the wee hours of 13th August 2021 on suspicions of his alleged involvement in the 2021 IED blasts in a few places in the state. The THANGKHIEW'S, which is an organization that comprises of a few local pressure groups and residents of MAWLAI, had observed late THANGKHIEW'S first death anniversary by displaying black flags along the streets in the area as a mark of protest against the apathy of the state government to public demand of the independent judicial inquiry report that was submitted by the chairman of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, Justice T. Vaipei, which was earlier submitted to the state government on the death of late THANGKHIEW'S. Alongside the Indian flags, black flags, posters and banners were on display throughout the streets of MAWLAI on the 13th of August 2022. A documentary on the life of late THANGKHIEW'S was also released and shown to the public on the 12th of August, a day before the first death anniversary of the slain HNLC leader. Also, a bike and car rally was taken out to mark the day.